Welcome everyone, once again, I'm Mirjagon, and this is Twitch 101 series, where I teach you the basics of Twitch.tv. This video, I'm going to walk you through the Twitch front page. It is a very confusing front page of a website, but stick with me, and after this video, you will be a Twitch front page master. First, we need to go to the Twitch front page. On the Twitch front page, you will find a lot of different things. First of all, here on the left-hand side will be different channels that you follow, different channels that Twitch recommends to you, and so on. If you have not followed anyone, all you will see here is recommended channels. If you remember when you first created your account, Twitch asked you for some of your favorite categories. They will go by what you put there to recommend channels to you. And until you've watched a few channels, they will always go with the most popular streamers in those categories. Once you have followed someone, your followed channels will be first, followed by recommended channels, and then if you've added anyone as a friend, they will show up at the bottom of the list. Going along the top, there are multiple tabs. First is the Twitch glitch icon. You can click this icon at any time to go back to the Twitch front page. The next one is the following tab. If you click on that, it will show you all of the channels that you follow. Going back to the front page, the next tab is Browse. So if you click that, it will take you to the categories page, and it shows you all of the different categories on Twitch that have channels that are live. Click on one of these, and it shows you a list of all the channels that are live, and you just click on any channel to watch them. You can sort them by high to low, or by recommended for you. If you sort them by high to low viewers, then you will get the streams that have the highest number of views at the top, and the lowest number of views will be down at the bottom. If you click recommended for you, then the Twitch algorithm will choose channels based off of the different channels that you have watched. So, for example, if you regularly watch channels that have like only 20 other people watching, then Twitch will recommend those smaller channels to you. Going to the Esports tab. Esports stands for Electronic Sports, and they are games that people are playing as competitions. There are loads of different games and categories that are played as tournaments. So if you like esports, you can find your favorite esport team here. The next tab in the top is your music, and this is all of your live music channels, including DJs as well as radio stations that stream music 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And then you have, in the 3 dots, loads of different things. We're not going to go into all of these, but I do recommend that you take a look at them in your own time, because that goes through everything that, all the legal stuff. Another thing that you'll want to look at is this. So, at the top of the Twitch homepage, underneath the top panel, is what is called the Twitch Carousel. Now, the Twitch Carousel is a bunch of different channels that are currently live that Twitch is promoting, that they're actively promoting for one reason or another. To navigate through that, you click on the button here on the right, or the arrow button on the left, to cycle through the different channels that are live. If you want to take a look at the channels, just click on the name and it will take you directly to them. The next group of thumbnails that you'll find are, as it says here, live channels we think you'll like. The way it works is the more videos you watch, the better this will get. So right now, they're recommending, since this is a new account for me and I've not watched any streamers, they're recommending the most popular streamers. The more you watch, the better this will get, and it will start actually recommending channels and streamers that fit your personality, fit your watching style, and so on. The next one down is the different popular channels of categories that you have watched previously. So right now we've got the popular just chatting channels here on this page. And that's because when I created this account, I said that I liked the just chatting category. And then below that, you have popular categories. That's categories that are popular at this moment in time. You can keep scrolling down and they'll give you popular channels of various categories that the Twitch algorithm recommends to you that you watch. So the next thing, you've got the search pane here, going back up to the top. And that is so that you can search for whatever you want. So, for example, if you were directed to Twitch by a friend or a family member who streams, and you know their username, you can search by their username. For example, my username on Twitch is Mirjagon. So, if you search Mirjagon, in the search bar, it will come up with my name. Or you can search for a game. Fallout 76, for example. Type in Fallout 76 in the search bar, and it brings it up in the search results. It's very similar to how any search engine works. And finally, we have the top right icons. Here, you've got the crown icon, which is for Prime Loot. That will show you all the games and things in games that you can get with your Twitch and Amazon Prime gaming account. The next icon is your notification icon. This one will show you everything that happens on Twitch. So if, for example, someone that you follow goes live, it will show up in your notifications. If someone gifts you a sub on another channel, it will show up here in the notifications. Then you've got this here for Whispers, a little speech bubble. Whispers is Twitch's version of private messaging. So if you click on that, that will show you all of the private messages that you've received. You can also search for people to send them private messages. Then you've got your button here for bits. If you click on that, you will be able to buy bits, which is Twitch's own form of currency. So you buy the bits, and then you can give the bits to your favorite streamers. And each bit is worth 1 penny to the streamer. And finally, last but not least, you have your icon, your account icon button, and that gives you loads of different options, such as your channel button, which if you decide to stream, that is where people will go to watch your streams. Video producer and creator dashboard, again, those are for streaming. Your friends, button for friends, so if you want to add someone as a friend, you can do so by clicking that. The subscriptions, which show you all the different channels that you're subscribed to. Drops, which are a streaming thing, so if you watch someone who has drops enabled on specific games, you can, just by watching that streamer, you can get free stuff for that game. And then there's your wallet, so you can put money in your wallet to enable you to more easily sub or purchase bits or whatever. Then you've got your settings, your language, the theme that you want Twitch to look like. You can have it either dark or light. And then you've got your ad preferences settings. Now, I recommend that you go through all of these in your own time. If you would like for me to do a specific series here on YouTube that goes through all of the different settings on Twitch, let me know, and I'll do that for you. That is it for me today. If you have any questions, there was a lot of information there, I know. If you have any questions or anything that you're not certain about, please mention it below in the comments. Until then, I will see you later. Have a good one, everyone. I will be back later on in a few days with another Twitch 101 tutorial video.